Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft version of Kong. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the mouth. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over, down, and that's just going to connect here for a little rectangle shape. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down at an angle. It's going to go over and then up. Then I'm going to make two little lines that go down here and one right here. Then I'm just going to connect them and then draw a line that goes down, over, and then across. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to go over, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to go down, and then right over to here. Actually, I'm probably just going to take this line right up to here. Now, starting here, I want to make the arms. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that goes out like this. Then I'm going to make it go down and then up. And then we're going to go out like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that just goes down. It's going to go over and then over again. And then I'm just going to make this line go up, down, and then all the way to here. Then I'm going to connect it to here. Then I'm going to make a little line go down here, and then a little line go up here, and then down, and then over. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over. I'm going to make one more here, and then one more right there. Going to connect them. And then I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, down at an angle, and it's going to come down and over here. Make a little line that goes down. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to go down. I'm going to go over, up like this, little diagonal line, and then up. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to come to here, and then one right there. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up. It's going to go over and then up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then one more that goes down here. I'm going to draw a line that goes over. Then I'm going to make two lines that go down. Then I'll draw a line that goes down, over, and it's going to connect here, and then one's going to go down here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes across, and it's going to go down. It's going to go over and up, and then kind of make like a little square right here. Now right here, draw a line that goes down, over, up, and then we're going to go over right to here. Then I'm going to draw two lines that go down and then over. Down at an angle, down and over, and then we're just going to go up and then kind of up like this. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. I'm going to go down, over and up, and then we're just going to make a little square right here. Now let's add some details. So starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to go over at an angle. Same thing, up and then kind of over at an angle. Add 2 little curved lines in here. Then I'm just going to kind of color this in. I'll leave a little white spot for the eye. Same thing here, or for the little reflection. I'm going to add a little line that goes over and down. We'll add 2 little lines for the nose. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little kind of square shape for the ear. Then I'm just going to kind of leave this right here. I'll draw a couple little lines right here for some toes. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up and then over, kind of show where the hand would be. And then same thing here, up and then down, kind of right where the hand would be. Then I'm going to add a little line down. I'm going to draw a little line that goes over and down here for the ear. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes down, over and up, and then a little line for the tongue. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Minecraft Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.